Well, see if the 7th Street girls are still awake. Probably not. Probably they're asleep.
But you never know.
Probably they're not awake. Probably they decided they actually like us.
I think they do.
Just in case I'm going to get far away in case they throw something. Oh, come on. Why do you keep saying that? We're not bad guys.
Fuck you, you fake ass undercover bitch!
We haven't killed any of you.
Fake ass undercover bitch!
How do you really feel?
Yeah, we just bitch! Justice for my Ryan!
We're just trying to keep you safe, ladies.
Stop killing us!
Well, they don't know us.
That's right. But they can't help themselves from watching us.
That's right. It's kind of late to be watching. What do you think? Sooner or later, they're going to give us a chance.
Yep.
I'd like to meet them face to face. There was 2 of them.
Yeah.
I always thought it was just one.
Copy 324.